in a remote place, and island of El Hierro seemed to be the right place.
So about Gran Canaria, I realized that we can build a production based on one location.
But the passion that they do have for the island shows through, and it's winning. And I think that's why not just the tax break in the Canaries, the crews are actually fantastic.
And we shot for, I think it was 30 days on sea. There's hardly no location in the world where you shoot 30 days on sea with almost no bad weather day. It was really nice. I was really, really impressed.
We generate the same amount of CO2 as 10 houses in Europe for a whole year.